In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a group calendar stuck in Favorites in Outlook. Open Outlook, then go straight to the calendar view by clicking the calendar icon in the top left. Once the calendar view opens, look over to the left sidebar and find the group calendar that is stuck in Favorites. When you locate it, click the checkbox next to the calendar name to remove the checkmark. That turns off the calendar from the current view. If the calendar is still showing or the checkbox does not solve it, keep your pointer on that calendar name in the left sidebar and right-click it. A menu will open. In that menu, click Hide this calendar. This tells Outlook to remove that group calendar from the visible calendar list. After you do that, the group calendar should disappear from the main calendar view. If it disappears, the main issue is solved here. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If the calendar keeps reappearing, or Hide this calendar does nothing, move on to the next fix. Close Outlook completely. Make sure the app is fully shut down before continuing. Now, press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. This opens the Run box. In the Run box, type the reset command shown on your screen. Feel free to pause and copy the pinned comment while that command is displayed. Once the full command is entered, press Enter. Outlook will reopen automatically. What this does is reset the navigation pane back to its default state, and that clears out stuck calendar entries that can remain in Favorites. When Outlook opens again, click the calendar icon in the top left to return to Calendar View. Then check the left sidebar under All Group Calendars. At this point, the stuck group calendar should no longer be checked, or it may be gone completely from the list. This is the point where the reset has taken effect. There is one important result from this reset. It also resets folder favorites in the Mail view. So, after the navigation pane is reset, any mail folders that were previously saved to Favorites may no longer be there and may need to be added back later. If the group calendar is still stuck after that reset, continue with the final fix by creating a new Outlook profile. In Outlook, click File in the top left corner. This opens the Account and App Settings area. In the middle portion of the screen, click the Account Settings dropdown. From that drop-down menu, select Manage Profiles. The Mail Setup dialog will open. In that dialog, click Show Profiles. This takes you to the list of Outlook profiles currently available on the computer. Next, click Add. Outlook will now ask you to create a name for the new profile. Enter a profile name in the field. Type the name you want to use for this new Outlook profile, then click OK. After that, enter your email address and complete the setup process on screen. Continue through the prompts until the new profile is fully created and added to the list. Once setup is finished, you'll return to the Mail dialog. In that window, select the new profile you just created. Then click Always use this profile. A drop-down will appear next to that setting. Open the drop-down and select the new profile name so Outlook is set to launch with that profile every time. After the new profile is selected, click OK to save the change. Now open Outlook again. It will launch using the new profile instead of the old one. When Outlook finishes loading, click the calendar icon in the top left one more time to open Calendar View. Then look in the left sidebar under All Group Calendars and confirm that the stuck group calendar is no longer listed there. At this stage, the stuck calendar should be removed either by hiding it, resetting the navigation pane, or opening Outlook with the newly created profile. That completes the process for removing a group calendar stuck in Favorites in Outlook.